adding the dependencies. So in this project we'll discuss about creating different pages, basically the POM structure page object model. So I will explain that in this lecture. So let's go to our Eclipse. This is our POM file. So go to the project explorer. So in the POM we have already added the dependencies. Now we'll go to SRC main Java. So click on the SRC main Java, right click on here. We will create the basic format of the project, of the POM. Okay, so we'll create first package, that is this is a base package, and then again we need one more package. So this will be page package. Click on finish, enter. Okay, then again we need one utility package. So this is the basic format that we will have in all the companies. This is the standard, I will say. Not everywhere this is followed, but yeah, when it's a like a Selenium Java testng framework, then POM principle is followed, and this is the standard format that I am explaining you. This is utilities. Okay, so this is the three different packages that we have created, and we'll create one package in SRC test Java, which is a test package. Okay, so after creating these packages, so I have created this base page and utility inside SSM in Java, and I have created one test package in SSC test Java. Yeah, keep this in mind. Okay, so in base we'll create one class, that is the class name will be base class only, not will not think too complex. Okay, base class, and we don't need any main method, so just finish it. So this is our base class, and inside this class we want we'll write the methods, but not now. We'll just create the classes first. We need we need multiple classes, so we'll just first create the classes inside the page. We'll create the class again. uh, so uh, so basically inside the page what we do is we'll create pages as per the web page. Now we will we'll be working on the source demo, this ecom site. Here this is the login page, we will call it as a login page. So we'll give the name for this class as a login page. Okay, so this is the login page. Finish it. So after login, it will be like a home page, or let's see, I guess it will be home page only. So we'll create one more class with the name inside the page only. So because these are the web pages, so for each web page we will be having one class. So now this will be home page. So all the methods of that class, all the web elements, we will write inside that particular class. If it's a login page, then all the methods in the login page only. And after that we'll write here, we'll create one class inside the test. Okay, also we'll create the utility. So let's first create inside the utilities. We'll create one class, let's say utility class only. Okay, after utility class we'll go back and click on test, right click on test, and we'll create one class. Okay, so now the name of the class will be login page. We have created login page as a class. Now login page, test, login page test, this is the class. So what we'll do is, so how the things work in companies as well. So this is the POM principle that we are talking about. So, okay, so how it works. So inside the base class we will write the code just to open the browser, open the URL, open the URL of like sourcelab.com. So this URL will open and it will be opened in the browser, Chrome browser, and everything related to browser, like maximize the screen, minimize the screen, and then yeah, deleting the cookies, everything that will write inside the base class only. So yeah, that is it only inside the base class. After that, after opening the browser, we will be having website, home page, login page, whatever it may be. Currently we are having the login page, right? When we click on sourcedemo.com inside the browser, we will get this login page. So that's why we will start with the login page. So on login page we will write different elements like username. We'll find the username, xpath, then password xpath, then login, these buttons, xpath, and we'll pass the send keys. Using send keys we'll pass this password, and then click, using click method we'll click here. So this is the overview that I am giving you of what we are doing. And after writing the code here, we'll call that these methods from the login page inside the test. So when we call it, we'll check there like what is the actual result and what is the expected result inside the test, login page test. So all the class names inside the page and test will be same, just we will add a test at the end so that we can identify easily the respective code in which class it is, right? All the methods from the home page will be in the home page test, like that. Okay, so I will create one more like home page test. Okay, so this is all about. So let's go to our base class and create. Let's call write the code to open the browser. Okay, so now we are in the base class. Let's write the method public static void, and we'll give this method name as a initialization, because we are writing the everything like otherwise just open the browser. Okay, we will just write it as a open URL, and inside this method we'll write WebDriver. Okay, WebDriver driver. So this is the Selenium's code. WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, now driver.get. This is get method is to open the URL, right? So we don't know the actual URL, so we'll just go here, copy the URL, and we'll paste inside this double inverted comma. Okay, after that we want to maximize the screen. Initially it will be very like small, so we want to maximize. Okay, I will show you how the minimum work. Okay, so we'll keep as it is only, we'll just open it. So now after this things, we will go after opening this, we want to write the code for this login page, right? So go to login page, open the login page. Now we need a driver here, so we will extend here that base class. So this is the inheritance operation that we are doing. So this is referred as a inheritance. Where is base class? So this is our base class, and also we need to perform page factory different methods. So first of all, we'll find the elements using find by xpath. Using xpath we will find. Okay, so what is the xpath here for username? Okay, we'll find the xpath for the username and password. So let's go here. This is username, so let's find it, the id. Okay, id is username, copy it, and the tag name is input, so double click, double slash input, then at the rate id is equal to in inverted comma, single inverted comma, paste username. Okay, so this is the XPath for the username that we have found. Okay, copy it and paste it inside our login page class in front of XPath. So something is wrong here. Looks this I have done something wrong. Okay, that double inverted comma was wrong. Okay, so this is the double inverted comma, and inside this we have to paste the code. Okay, now we have to write the some keywords here, like private. We will make this okay, you don't write the private, just write web element. This is web element, that's why we will write it as a web element, and the name of this variable will be username, right? Username. So write it username and semicolon. Yeah, that is it. Then again, for password I will just copy paste, because it will take a lot of time. I'll just copy paste here, and this is the password, right? Password, and this is a login button. Okay, after that we have to find out the XPath for the password and login button. So let's go here. For password, we need id is equal to password, and tag name is input only, so tag name is same. They just replace the username from with password. Okay, so we got the XPath for password. Copy it, paste it inside the project, login. So remove this XPath, paste it here for password, and again go back and find for the login button. So this is our login button, and the id is equal to login button. So let's replace this password with, okay, what is this? Okay, now replace this with the password. Okay, we got the XPath. Now just copy this and paste it inside our login page class. So we found the XPath for username, password, and login button. Okay, now we'll create one method. The name of this method will be verify login, right? So this is our first method that we are creating here, and inside this method now we want to use the username here, username dot send keys. And what are the send keys here? Username send keys, again I will explain how to send. These methods are used to pass the values. Okay, and then afterwards we have to click the login button, right? So that is the whole thing, and we have to click the login button. Click the button. Okay, now just go here. So in the website itself we have given accepted usernames are standard user. Okay, just copy this and paste inside the username thing, username dot send keys, and password will be for all the users will be same, secret sauce. So just paste inside the password dot send keys. Okay, so this is all about the thing that we have written about the login page and writing the method. Now we need one page factory. For what? For initialization of the this web elements with the driver. So for that we need a page factory. So just create the constructor public, and the constructor is a login page, right? Login page, where is login page? Login page is here. So just create the constructor, and now we need page factory, right? So page factory dot init elements, and here we need to pass the driver. We are not getting a driver here, because in even if even after we have extended the base class we are not getting driver. So what is the issue we are facing here is we have not made it as a global variable. So let's make it as a global variable. So let's make it as a global variable and make it as a public, so that it will be accessible throughout the project, not just inside the packages. So that's why we are making it as a stable and static, right? And give the semicolon and remove the driver from here, web driver from here. So yeah, this is about our code, right? So this is updated. Now go back to login page. Now you can see the driver in the smaller. Yes, initially we were not able to see this, now it's present. Sorry. Okay, now driver, and here we have to replace the keyword as a this. So this, okay, now this is the initialization of the web elements with the uh with the driver. Yeah, that's it.